Alright, so haven't done an update in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks since my 19th birthday, but I just wanted to let you all know that for Halloween that's coming up, I looked online to see which Halloween costume I was going to buy, and to those of you watching this video, who do you think I am going to be for Halloween? That's right. Who am I going to be for Halloween? Which character? Let's find out. So I'm just going to turn on the slide so that I can have good visibility. Okay, you all know who I'm going to be for Halloween? Yep, that's right. I officially bought myself a Yoshi costume online. Therefore, I am going to be dressing up as Yoshi for Halloween. As you can see, the headpiece has good visibility. The inflatable shell on my back has a good fit, and the tail on my back actually fits, feels pretty good, I should say. Don't really have any other comments for it. Now for my Yoshi costume, at first glance, when looking at it as well as trying it on, I would just give this a terrible rating at first glance, because I was worried if it was going to be either too big or too small, if the headpiece is awkward, the inflatable shell, tail, etc. But by trying it on, believe it or not, it felt really good by trying on my Yoshi costume. Sure, I had to make physical, small adjustments while visiting a Halloween party that's on the street, but I had no problems wearing this costume during a Halloween party most of the time. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be for Halloween. Yoshi costume. It went as a blast for visiting the Halloween party, but by going trick-or-treating, we'll see if this costume is even more of a blast to wear, and if it's good enough for trick-or-treating. So if you guys know which costume or if you know which character you'll dress up as for Halloween, put them in the comments below so that I can read them and know who you are going to be. But that's gonna be it from me. So I hope you all have a good Halloween, and I hope that your character is what you want to be.